Ongo mokala mongo mwagbe yawe ya akere moto ranje nekweli. Ongo mokala mongo mwagbe yawe ya akere moto ranje nekweli. Onyamweweme ranje nekweli. Let the rains come in June, not August. Yes, she wants to go where Evarikoke sings, where she can grow berry side by side, where Eroli sucks nectar with bees as companions, where water flows from Vako through rocks, feeding the grass fields of Weli, the dwellers of Namonge downhill. She wants to see quiet dancing. Summon Gomba, he carries Murunji, it drums for peace. She wants to sit bare buttocks on the ground, watch the matriarch cleanses her chest with warm leaves from Iroko tree. Let the rains come in June, not August. She can sing, "E woo-wee, e mama-wee," with lines across her face like wrinkles on the face of a battled hardened soldier. She wants to make aeroplanes with mango leaf, placing them in rivulets to follow as they go down the gutter into the stream, the river, disappearing with her dreams. Let the rains come in June, not August. August rains are crueler. In the distance, drummers play, chiefs and their servants gather, palm wine flowing, villages dancing, children hide behind windows, peeping for the face of Ngalle. Fierce juju, their time will come. A boy and an old man sit across the field. Wrestlers gather in a wokayawe roar. Women dress in fine garments. Wrestlers jump up and down bare-chested, twisting their biceps. Suitors will travel from far and wide. The mating ritual has begun. Let the rains come in June and not August. She wants to fish in Mae'r, catch prawns with palm nuts as baits, to roast and dine with banana leaf, to play hopscotch with enanga, and learn to skip with no ropes. When the rains come in June, she will catch bullfrogs just below the fountains of Woteke village, buy ripe palm nuts in Roporali, sit under the Iroko tree, gazing at the mountains, counting the clouds as they come and go. Let the rains come in June, not August. She can hold hands with Ikomi like lovers do. Play hide and seek between boulders abandoned by the great volcano of 86, under tea plantations, and dream. Truly, if heaven is our father's land, her father can keep it.